Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Today I will show you how to set up metapixel to your WordPress site. As you can see, I am already on WordPress, so without further ado, let's start. We have two methods, manual and plugin one. First one that I'm going to show you is manual one. Let's begin. Go to Facebook business site. Under datasets, go to Open in Events Manager. Click on that. You will go to this site. Just scroll down until you see Setup Metapixel. Click on that. And here install code manually. Now, copy code. As you can see, paste base code to a website. We will do that. When we go to WordPress, we need to find where our script for site is located. When we do that, just paste the code at the bottom of it. Or we have another alternative, that is install insert headers and footers plugin. It is way easier, believe me. Just paste the code like it is shown here and you will be all good to go with your metapixel. Okay, second method is plugin one. We are going to go back to WordPress, plugins. Here we are going to search to Pixel. Pixel your site is the best one. Don't ask me why, it is. As you can see, I don't have a plan, but I will show you it here. When you install it, this screen will be shown to you. What you need to have is Facebook Pixel ID. You can find it right here. Copy, paste it, follow the steps. You will go to this page. When you see this page, click on Get Started and just follow the steps. Believe me, it is 5 minutes of your time and it is so easy that you can't mess up. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, click on like, subscribe, maybe some comment. Until next one, wish you all the best. Bye.